What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about what's the best size books for your low content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to learn more about low content book publishing, then check out the link in the description below and it will take you over to here, my Printing Profits course. This is step by step showing you how to start a low content book publishing business. So, what's the best size books that you can do for your low content books? The short answer to this is there is no best size. Every book's different. It all depends on what type of book that you want to create. Now with notebooks, they're better suited for a 6x9 or an 8.5 times 11. But what you should do, once you know what type of books that you want to create, come over to Amazon and look at similar books and see what sizes they actually are. Now most of my books that I sell over on Amazon are either 6x9s or 8.5 times 11. That's all I pretty much do, unless they're guest books and then they're a bit of a weird size. But that's what you should do. Think about the books that you want to create, come over to Amazon and have a look and see what dimensions those books are as well. Now, like I said, with notebooks, they're better suited for 6x9 times 6 times 9 or an 8.5 times 11. Now, another thing that you can do to find what dimensions you can create books for is go over to Google, type in Amazon KDP cover template. Okay, then you want to click this first link and this is going to pull up this page. Now on here, if you go to select an option, you can actually see all the different sizes that you can create, and there's quite a few. I think you can even do custom size books as well. So come over to here and have a little browse. Now if you're completely new to low content book publishing, then don't forget to check out the link in the description to Printing Profits. This is going to take you step by step on everything that you need to know about running this business. Also, you can come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. This is a Facebook group, completely free to do, and you can see what other people are saying about the course if you want to see that as well. And I have nothing but good testimonials. Also, here in the Stackers Inner Circle, I show you, if you just want to give it a go and just get going without the course, then I show you how to create the cover here. Let me just pause that. I show you how to create the front cover completely for free, and I also give you a few interiors that you can use. So with these two combined, you can just get going and try and publish your first book. And join the Stackers Inner Circle. There is a link in the description to this as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.